Have you ever feel tired of importing dozens of blend files into a one project? If yes, you already know how painful is that. So this video is about how to import a multiple blend file. I will show two methods. First one is manual way, or you can say the conventional way. We will go in a file, append, navigate to the directory. So I have all these blend files for the hospital scene, but I can't append all with a single click. For example, if I click on append, it will open up the last file. You will see the surgeon tree, and if you see it here, the top one is the surgeon tree. If I select like that, it will append female nurse, so it will open up the blend file. From here we can go in a collection, import, append the collection. It will give me the character like that, or we will go in an object folder and select all, click on append. So both are same. So I will delete the cube. Now if I want to import another character, I'll have to repeat this process. So now I have the two characters. So you have seen that every file needs multiple clicks. You constantly browse the folder and you will have to select the collection manually. Even after that, everything's come in an unorganized manner. Now imagine doing it for 10 times, 50 times or 100 times. As it's a repetitive task, as artists we hate that. So I have seen this pain point and create the solution. It's called multi-blend file merger. So the add-on is already installed. Open up new window, delete everything, press the N key, go to multi-import tab, click on this button. It's called merge multiple blend files, navigate to the directory. So these are the character. So first I will select only 6 files, click on merge. You will see the progress. So all of our character comes in organized manner. Because all of my characters are in a default position, I will have to move them. So you will see that the characters are imported, and we can test the rig over here. Let's see the rig. It is working, and you will see the scene info in an add-on. It is showing 13 collections, but we have 6 characters. That is because each collection's name against the blend file. As you see, we have the file name with the female nurse. It is come up with the collections, and because each blend files also have the collections, it comes inside that. So instead of importing blend files one by one, use the smart way and save your time. Lastly, these add-ons work only for importing a multiple files. And if you want to export each collections or each object from the single blend, so there is another solution. I will tag the video over. Add-on link is in the description. See you again.